Annie, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine, thank you. I'm Rich Barnes. I'm the president of the Barnes firm, and I just want to have the opportunity to meet you this way and to congratulate you. We had a lot of impressive applicants, and you rose to the top of that. So congratulations to you, Annie.
Thank you so much. It's such an honor. Thank
Well,
you.
well, you deserve it. Now you're a second year student at
That's correct.
Berkeley.
Yeah.
Yeah, how's it going this first semester?
It's been great. A lot more, it's smoother than my first year for sure. I think, the first year of law school is always the hardest from what everyone's told me, and that's definitely been true for me too. I think I've, gotten used to the hustle and bustle, all the information that's being thrown at you. I've been able to like manage my time more effectively, and it's just been a great experience overall.
Oh, that's great to hear. I mean, it's obviously an excellent law school. You're surrounded by a lot of smart people there, both in the faculty and the students, and based on your academic accomplishments that we looked at, you are handling that very well. So congratulations to you on that.
Thank you.
What I was interested, Annie, I found fascinating your undergraduate work at UCLA. What exactly is involved in human biology and society? Tell me a little bit more. I found that to be a very interesting concept.
Right. So I was originally on the pre-medical track when I first went into my undergraduate degree. But I was always on the fence about it because I wasn't entirely sure. I'm first generation everything. I wanted to keep my options open, and I saw this very interdisciplinary major at UCLA called Human Biology and Society. So it's not entirely just focused on the biological sciences. There's also aspects incorporated into it where you're analyzing, structural barriers to healthcare and things of that nature. And I found that really intriguing because I felt that a lot of, pre-medical majors that a lot of pre-med students typically choose don't really address these aspects of the healthcare industry. So I just thought it would be really ideal for me to learn about all of the factors that are in play when discussing healthcare. And that actually really inspired me to look at the interplay between public health and like legal structures and barriers to access to medical care in the US. And then eventually that kind of got the ball rolling for me, and I realized that, legal advocacy would be probably a better fit for me personally. So yeah, it was a great major. I really enjoyed my courses at UCLA.
That's great. As I said, I found that to be a very fascinating concept, and the fact you're still utilizing, what you got from that program in undergraduate school and your legal studies. And yeah, as a matter of fact, one of the things you said in your essay was that your career goal is to become an attorney who bridges gaps between communities and institutions, between policy and practice, and between rights and accessibility. That's something else I find very fascinating. How do you I know you're only in your second year and you got time, but how do you foresee translating that into a legal profession once you're out and you're admitted, which I'm sure you will be?
Hope so. That's a great question. I think, well, for one, I do have this huge passion for healthcare, but at the intersection of law. And I think, well, I've already committed to a firm for postgrad, and they're band one for healthcare and life sciences. So I'm hoping to be able to apply my strengths in working with a lot of these healthcare companies and how these deals are structured in order to best serve, when these deals are going through, they do have lasting implications on consumers as well. So I'm hoping to play my part in how I'm working at the firm and in handling these deals, but also while I was summering last year, we had a requirement to do pro bono, which I thought was really interesting because a lot of firms don't have that requirement,
Right.
and they also don't necessarily encourage it either. So I thought it was great. And I actually got to work with a lot of smaller, like healthcare nonprofits, public health nonprofits in my pro bono experiences, which was great. So I'm hoping to do a little bit more of that. And of course, throughout law school, we have a lot of clinics and pro bono opportunities available to students. And I think Berkeley does a really good job of encouraging students to get these hands-on experiences. So I'm hoping to take more advantage of that in my second semester of my second year and also my 3L year.
That's great. Yeah, I mean, the public and the legal community well served having somebody with your enthusiasm and background, working in that area. So good for you. That sounds great. Are you probably getting close to exams now, I would think?
That's right. Yeah, I'm finishing up my last class of the semester today, and then yeah, it's finals study time, and then we end the semester officially on December 15th.
Oh, okay. All right. And are you at least planning to enjoy yourself a little bit and have some fun once you're done with the, what are your favorite extracurricular things to do when you're trying to relax or just to enjoy something outside of law school?
Yeah, I think for me, because I do have so many commitments, spending time with my friends and family, that's probably my favorite thing to do. Just because I'm always in the books, I'm always taking notes and reading. So it is nice to step away, maybe explore San Francisco a little bit, venture out in the Bay. That's really fun. And then, of course, when I do have a little bit of free time, traveling back home, seeing my family. Yeah, that's probably my favorite thing to do.
Well, that sounds great. And you should certainly, by all means, take advantage of that, because you obviously put a lot of effort and work into your studies and your extracurricular work as well, and and that shows. And that was an important part in our group's consideration of your application. So, well, I know you got to get back to your studies in school, but I did want to take just a couple of minutes to, as I said, meet with you and congratulate you. Best of luck in the remaining semester here, and I'm quite confident looking at what you've done so far academically and all the rest of it, that you're going to do very, very well, and the bar in California will eventually be very lucky to have you become a member. So
thank you so much. That means the world to me. I really appreciate it. And thank you for setting up the scholarship program. It is so immensely helpful in just getting through law school. And I really appreciate it.
Well, I'm glad to hear it. And having met you, I know we made the right choice. So, well, nice to meet you, Annie. And, enjoy the holidays and enjoy time with your family. And best of luck for the rest of the year too, okay?
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Likewise.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.